Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove a location that has become associated with your TikTok video description. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up TikTok and locate the video that you want to edit the location for. Select the three-dotted icon on the bottom right on the right panel here. Select that, and then on the bottom, scroll over until you get to where it says Edit Post. Left click on that. Should be a location field down here. Go ahead and click the little X to delete it, and then select Save. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.